Yasmin Sooka, chair of the UN Commission on Human Rights in South Sudan. June 13, 2025, JUBA, Geneva. The UN Commission on Human Rights in South Sudan has sounded the alarm that the 2018 Revitalized Peace Agreement is at serious risk of collapse and called for urgent, coordinated regional intervention to salvage the faltering peace process. According to a Friday press release extended to this publication, the Commission stressed that escalating military offensives, political crackdowns, and foreign military presence are not only accelerating the breakdown of the agreement, but also fueling deep fear, instability, and widespread trauma among the people of South Sudan. Earlier this week, the Commission held consultative dialogues with a range of stakeholders, including civil society representatives, to assess the deepening crisis and explore measures to avert a return to civil war. Participants expressed widespread fear and anxiety among communities who are increasingly traumatized by persistent violence, arbitrary arrests, and the erosion of civic space. Since March 2025, the South Sudan People's Defense Forces (SSPDF) have launched sustained military operations, including airstrikes on civilian populated areas, causing significant casualties and mass displacement. The statement reads in part, "South Sudanese are living with extreme trauma. They are enduring targeted military attacks that have upended lives and instilled widespread fear. The country's leaders, signatories of the agreement, must abandon partisan agendas and act in the interest of the people." Civilians in Upper Nile State have been particularly affected, as the region, already grappling with emergency-level food insecurity, has become a key transit corridor for refugees fleeing the conflict in Sudan. Fears are growing that if this conflict trajectory is not averted, South Sudan's conflict will entwine with the crisis of Sudan, with even more dire consequences. Salvaging South Sudan's peace agreement should be of utmost priority in an already turbulent region, as the agreement enables political adversaries to partner towards a transformative transition in this country. Said Commissioner Barney Afako, torpedoing the transition is an act of profound folly and recklessness that is already reigniting violence, deepening insecurity, and imposing further grave violations on long-suffering citizens and undermining regional peace architectures. Commissioner Yasmin Sooka also noted that any unilateral attempts to derail the transition and undermine regional peace architectures have grave implications for peace and security in the Horn of Africa, and that failure to act could plunge the country into another devastating cycle of conflict. The Commission continues to monitor developments closely and is documenting human rights violations and abuses committed by all parties to the conflict, including those potentially amounting to war crimes, the statement concluded.